Ang dala ko ngayon, Chinese na bisikleta na carbon.
Basically, ang ano niya, taas ko lang to. Mahiwagang tanong, how much?
Unahin na natin.
Saka siklista rin.
Siklista.
Ilang taon lang na ako yun nandito.
Gusto ko dyan. Sino ang pinakamaraming pera dyan? Sikap OG, ang OG ng cycling.
OG talaga eh. Ang susunod na palabas ay rated SPG.
Ang tatay ko kasi cyclist din.
Ang Brompton, bukod sa itatambay mo for luxury,
Yeah.
magagamit mo talaga siya for sa convenience.
Ako, actually to be fair, hindi lang
Yes.
Brompton eh. I-generalize na natin yung trifold.
Folding.
Yes,
folding.
Trifold.
Tama.
Oo.
Kasi pag bifold, medyo may size pa, di ba?
Oo.
Pag yung katanong yung kanina, yung lead drop, parang
Ayan.
in
Ganda
fairness,
rin nun, no?
Oo.
ang ganda ng fold niya.
Na-impress ako
Saka-
si Coach Boyang. Ayan.
Ayun. Ayun.
Ayan, mga tropang palisok naman to. Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Yan, tropang Tour de
So,
France.
ang ganda ng fold niya. Bagay yung fold niya sa itsura niya. Diba? May pagka-modern.
Ako hindi ako mahilig sa mga modernong bisikleta.
Ayun
Pero
pa
nung
isa,
nakita ko to, medyo okay din. Ano to? Mint?
Parang, paano yung yellow ng Mongol? Parang ganun, di ba?
Oo. Mint.
Oh, meron din. Pangatlo na oh.
O tatlo.
Lead drop din ba to o mint?
Lead drop din.
Yun din.
Eh,
Ano
Oo.
bang model to?
Oo.
Hindi, same.
Same. Ibang kulay lang.
Putsan.
Grabe.
Oo nga.
Great.
Kasi kay Romel. Kemel!
Ganda
Mukhang
Mukhang grupo na tong lead drop.
Dali mo sa background. Pakita natin.
Oo.
Si Ronnie, saka si Edley.
Nasaan dyan? Ayun.
Edley, nakapula.
Si Edley pala.
Oo. Kuya Ed! Plug din natin yung mga shop nyo.
Tara.
Ito, lead
Ito kanina,
drop.
isa sa mga... Kanina
Oo.
puti nakita natin. Ngayon, ibang kulay
May
naman.
puti. Ito, tatlo na sila.
Tatlo na
May puti,
kayo.
May gray.
Oo.
Ganda. Good morning po. Good morning. Nong.
Good morning. Good morning.
Kemel,
Yeah. Tapo muna kayo.
natin yung weapon R.
Isang quick
Oo.
quick chika lang.
Oo.
Yan. Tapos,
Boss Romel, mukhang dumadami kayong naka-lead drop
Oo
ah.
nga.
tama ba yung pronunciation? Lead drop, hindi light drop, no? Lead drop. Sakto yung headphones,
Does
orange
weapon R
din.
carry the brand? Yun. Oo.
Yun.
Yun.
Perfect timing. So,
Oo.
a little history about lead drop. Kuya.
Bali siya, carbon siya, ultralight.
Yes.
Weighing 7.5.
Yan.
Opo.
7.5.
7.5.
Sa, I heard it's made in China.
Made in China. Pero ibang klase kasi bago ko ikunin siya,
Yes.
need nating matest muna.
Hindi
Pasensya na
Okay,
ilang rounds din ako.
Pinakita ni attorney sa kanya kanina. We had a little idea of what it is.
Ito yung bag.
Ganda. Oo.
Ito may
yung bag,
attachment na
pwede
bago.
mong i-attach din yung ibang... Okay ba yung buko?
Okay.
Okay, yung ibang mga pam-Bromptons.
Yes.
Na
Okay.
accessories. Katulad dito na
makapit.
front curve block.
Yes.
Makikita mo na pwede siyang ilagay.
Yes. Basta ano lang yung... Ang tawag doon, yung block na yun.
Front
block
curve,
natin.
PCB.
Yes,
Front
PCB
curve.
natin. Compatible siya.
Ang galing.
Na pinakita rin ni attorney kanina how it was folded.
Ano pinakita niya?
Ang ganda,
Ang bilis.
ang bilis.
Ang ganda eh.
In a
Tupi.
seconds, pwede mong
Oo.
i-fold siya.
Yes. ang
Saka
ganda.
super gaan, super light.
That's, wow.
Matutuwa ka.
Where can the people acquire one, buy one?
Okay, thank you.
Saan pa pwede makabili?
Ang shop po namin, Weapon R
lalagay
Bike Shop
natin
Cubao.
dito.
No, dyan.
Oh, yan.
Weapon R, ilalagay natin dyan.
Okay, 153C,
Yes.
Bon Serrano Corner, 9th Avenue, Cubao, Quezon City.
Sa Cubao
Ayan.
lang.
Although meron din kaming branch sa Marinduque. Meron
Yes.
din akong bike shop sa Marinduque.
So niride mo na mula ako ba hanggang dito?
Dito lang sa may BGC.
Ah,
May Facebook page po kayo.
Meron. Weapon R Bike Shop
ito,
Cubao.
lalagay din natin yung dito.
Armel,
Oo.
nag-ano yan, nag-sponsor yan yung bike show ni Kuya Percy. Lagi nandun siya. Laging visible si
Nako.
Kuya Will yung Weapon R.
Tsaka
Tsaka they don't only carry bikes, pati guns and ammo.
mga guns din ako nagsimula kaya Weapon
parang si
R.
ano rin, si Ed.
Okay, there you
May
go.
gun store kasi tayo.
Yes.
Sa Cubao, doon nagsimula.
Pwede nyo rin i-promote dito. Lagay natin dito.
Yung ano eh.
Ngayon gun
Yung
show,
mga pages.
nga ngayon sa Mega Mall, sa
Weapon
Mega
R.
Mall ngayon.
Ayun, oo.
Thank you
Sa
very much. Thank you
Mega
sa inyo.
Trade.
Mega
Yes.
Trade.
Willing ko. Kasi mamaya ilalagay natin dyan sa ilalim yung details ng ano nyo. So
Maraming
for those
salamat.
want to acquire the new lead wrap, na
yes.
16-inch na gulong din yan. Nakabili bonkers na kagad ng Schwalbe.
As always.
Tapos ang ganda ng fold.
Shimano yung group set niya.
Kuya, may mga ano rin siya, variants din. O isa lang?
May mga color siya, pero maglalabas kami ng limited edition na siya lang ang mayroong color.
Okay.
Dito sa, ano to?
Ayan,
Yeah, katulad dito, wala nang lalabas na itong kulay.
Ganda,
Wow,
orange.
okay.
Anong
Limited
tawag
na siya.
sa orange na yan, Boss Romel?
Orange,
Parang metallic ka na. Matte orange ka na.
Matte orange.
Yung Mongol orange.
Ito kasi yung, yung
Hindi nagbasihan.
makintab.
Ngayon.
Kaya, tapos yung, kaya na rin namin yung mini moods. Accessories. Ayan,
Minimum.
Mini mods eh.
mods.
Mod talaga.
talaga. British.
Galing ano? British.
British talaga ang one niya.
Yes. For more details of the products lined up, you can go to their Facebook page na post namin dito.
Thank you very much.
Weapon R. Ayun. With
Tsaka
that, thank you very much.
Ganito.
Brompton din.
Yes,
Brompton din ako, may Brompton. Authorized dealer din kami ng Brompton. Pero, yun naman, titanium ito, carbon kasi ito eh.
Yes.
Saka ibang fold, hindi katulad ng ibang mga lumalabas
Yes.
na kinakopy lang nila yung Brompton. Brompton,
Iba pa rin yung
Iba
iba pa rin.
pangalan.
Yung kaso nga lang, talagang na-feel din namin yung ride niya parang sa Brompton din.
Yeah.
Saka maganda sa,
Similar, no?
tinas
Bigger tires
ko
eh.
muna, bigger tires din siya, saka 16.
Yes.
Saka yung design, saka ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Ang gandang i-roll. Saka pag pumunta kayo ng shop,
Yes.
naka-promo kami kasi coffee shop din yun eh.
Okay.
Coffee shop, bike
lahat,
shop,
no?
andun na lahat. Pag bumili kayo ng coffee, may free pandesal kayo, pandelitos.
Wow. Oh.
Eto,
Then,
eto,
Weapon R sa may Cubao.
Pasyalan kayo.
Oo.
Kayo doon.
Dahil
Kung pumasal kami, magawa kami ng episode dun sa loob.
Pwede. Then,
Marami na tayo.
Mag-feature natin
ito
yung weapon
ito,
R.
iikon nyo ito, mark my word
Mismo.
na.
Yes.
Bubusugin ko talaga kayo.
Nako.
Magpapadeliver tayo ng tumba crispy para sa mga
Patay.
pansin
Oh
mo.
my God.
Maniwala kayo.
Wow.
Weapon R!
Next week.
Sige.
Next week ha.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Napakalaking
much
help
po.
nito
Yes.
sa bagong brand na in-introduce namin. Kasi talagang hindi kayo magsisisi.
Yeah.
Kasi masisira ang Weapon R kung hindi siya talaga the best.
Yes.
Katulad, yung Brompton talaga the best na talaga yun.
Yes.
Pero siyempre, kailangan natin may alternative na
Yes.
magbibigay din na magaan.
Mismo.
Pero magaan din ng Brompton, pero medyo pricey lang. Pero
Ano lang yung kanya,
ito,
iba-ibang character.
balang pang SRP niya, 105,000.
105.
Pero sa bike show, magbibigay ako ng discount na 20 to 25% para dyan.
Uy.
Kaya
Uy, laking discount
unahan na lang tayo. Sa 6 and 7 sa pedal up natin.
Pupunta
tayo.
Punta kayo.
Punta kami ron, no?
Saka
Ipapalag namin
doon
yun.
din, bubusugin ko rin kayo doon. Maniwala kayo sa akin.
Ano rin,
Kuya,
kuya?
magmahal ang Weapon R Bike Shop ko ba?
Ay, hindi. Ganito na lang. So, gawa tayo na isa sa weapon R. Gawa tayo sa bike demo day dun sa booth.
Yes.
Sige,
Pwede.
sige.
Pwede.
Dahil tayo.
I-invite ko kayo. Pleasure nyo yun para
Sige.
sa amin.
Thank you
para sa
very much.
mga kaibigan na talagang sumusuporta at naniniwala na ang lead drop talaga tatapat din sa Brompton.
Pwede
Ayun.
magtanong
Good brand
ng personal question.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Kemel, ilang taon na ako maninilbihan sa inyo bago ako makakuha nito?
Hindi, kahit pwede kitang bigyan yan hulugan mo na lang.
Yun, oh.
Walang problema. Terms natin, walang problema.
Ilang beses po ako mahuhulog?
Kahit 24.
Yeah, going to that before we let you.
Ikaw ba, walang problema.
Oh.
Gusto mo, kumuha ka na ngayon.
Before we let
Huwag ganun! Napasugo agad!
Pero
Before we
itas ride nyo. Itas ride nyo muna bago kayo mag-decide.
Oo.
Kasi dinala namin yan para makita nila. Kita mo si attorney, love na ni attorney.
Oo,
Si attorney pihikan yan.
Oo,
Correct.
yan. Hindi,
Ito. Before we let you go, meron pwedeng card ang bayad din
Meron.
Hindi. Kasi
Meron,
iba,
meron.
di ba,
Oo.
nagka-card.
Soon na yung 24 months namin sa RCBC,
Yun.
naayos ko na. Then
Oo.
may 12 months din tayo sa
Okay.
any card.
Any card,
Para
BDO,
any card.
BPI.
BDO, BPI.
Sa Weapon R,
Kasi
Bisitahan
tinulungan
nyo.
tayo nung ating order retired na siya.
Yes.
Si Bro Abel.
Banker.
BP na o banker yan. BP ng video yan dati.
Yes.
Kaya talagang yung full support nyo, nakita nila na talagang hindi tayo mapapahiya
Correct.
sa brand na to.
Alright. Thank you
Okay.
very much, Kuya Mel. Thank you very much.
Kemel.
Oo naman.
Punta ka lang dun ha.
Yes po.
Yun.
Punta
Yes,
ka lang
po.
siya.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Brother,
Boss Romel.
anong name mo nga?
Nong.
Nong.
Wally.
Wali,
Sino?
tatandaan ko yan.
Sinong Nong?
Alright. Kita-kits tayo. Alright.
Kasama. Thank you.
Thank you very much sa inyo. Love you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
So mukhang next na gagawa ng pangalan ng lead drop talaga, no?
Oo.
Kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina,
Ako,
hindi ako mahilig
naniniwala
sa
ako.
bago, pero
Ang ganda.
exemption to.
Yung dumating nga si Kuya Mel, biglang na-attract yung kulang. Ano yung
Naniniwala
kulay,
ako na ang bike magiging successful
Charlie,
pag
good
ano,
morning.
yung aftermarket
Oo.
masipag.
Yan, ayan.
Diba?
Diba?
Yan. Ayun! Ayun,
Sample.
yung bigati natin nandito na.
Oo, dyan na.
Oo.
Yun o.
Ayun, no?
See how it's folded? See? Tuk. Ay, may gulong din sa likod.
Meron.
Kulang mo na nga para sumuli. Yan, ganyan ka na lang.
Pucha. Ang
Kaya
gaang.
ba, gang?
Ilang kilo siya, Boss Rommel? 7.5.
Nice. Oh, pak.
Gusto ko yan!
Nice.
Gusto ko yan!
Nice, pucha.
Eto na, I'm
Very
convinced.
good. Diba? You can take up the
Okay.
pedals.
Pucha.
Nice. Guys, galing oh.
Galing.
Very good. Oh.
Solid.
Oh my God. May bago akong favorite na bike.
Oo, ano?
Ano yan? Okay.
Pwede mong yan, no?
Pwede ibaba.
Standard yung clamping, no? Standard size to. No? Oh, standard. Oo. Eh, pwede. Nice.
Galing.
Nice. Thank you.
Wala akong masabi.
Pwede.
Iba,
Punta kami. Sa promise.
Iba ka talaga kung pumili ng product, ano?
Schedule lang.
Oo.
Schedule namin.
Grabe.
Oo.
Ganda, pare.
Galing.
Oo, parang best pa eh, no? Na PX. Ganda.
Ganda.
Nice one.
Itong
nice one.
kulay na to gusto ko.
Yes.
Ganda, orange.
Alright.
Thank you, Kuya Men. Thank you. Yeah.
Ang kulay.
Oh. Thank you.
Ingat.
For our last guest for this episode.
Ayun.
Ano?
Ito ang talagang
Charlie.
scheduled
Hey, Charlie.
guest namin for
Ito na.
today.
Ito na.
Ito si Boss Charlie. Weekly nyo rin sa makikita
Ito.
rito, tsaka sa Palisok.
Halika, come on. Our last guest for this episode is Kuya Char. Okay, wait. Before
Ayan,
natin mag-intro,
Oo.
put mo lang. Parang old Walkman lang yan, Kuya Charlie.
Oo.
Yeah. And then,
Sa special
can you hear
mic.
yourself? Hello?
Yan.
Yes.
Special. Here, you speak
Special,
here.
ano,
Yan, dyan.
special
Okay,
guest
dito.
mic.
You can hear yourself?
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
clear
there
now.
you go. Okay.
Nakita mo na yung lead drop, Kuya Johnny. no?
Okay.
Mukhang magkakaroon ka rin eh.
Mukhang magkakabago
Okay,
pa na si
so-
Charlie ngayon.
So guys, we want to introduce you si Sir Charlie Gao.
Isa sa mga haligi rin ng cycling.
Yes,
Hindi
you,
naman.
Charlie.
you can always see him in Ayala, minsan sa Parisok din.
Balisok.
Every Sunday. Tropang
And-
ano yan? Tropang Ayala and tropang Tour de France.
Tour de France.
Yes, sir.
Tapos okay, to start up the question, when did you start biking?
I'm one of the pandemic times na
Cyclist.
nagbike. So
Okay.
it's by the situation of the during that time mobility was limited eh. So I'm glad when I entered that stage. There were so many friends who are into that stage also.
Yes.
So medyo mapabilis yung pagkaka-adapt ko ng
So
ng
parang
cycling, yes sir.
Parang you're cycling from and to work, ganon din?
And mostly I cycling for certain tasks lang.
Okay.
Because basically my work is home based eh.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay.
So yun ang focus ko.
May hiring ka ba, Boss Charlie?
Hindi naman, I'm just one of the employee just like you and me. Yeah.
Okay, Don, do you have any question for him?
Hindi. Ito. Yung question na inaano natin. Kuya Charles, magmula ng pandemic,
Yes.
Yes.
nakita ko na may Moulton ka, may Brompton ka. Ilan ang bike mo?
Yes.
Na na-declare sa salin.
Hindi sa SALN. Nakadeclare sa SALN.
Pakiulit na medyo
po?
malaw signal eh. Yeah.
Parang hindi masabi, no?
Oo. Di ba? Sige.
Yeah.
Kung pero, yun ka. Si Kuya Charlie,
Yes.
ang talagang tutok niyan small wheels din eh.
Yeah, small
Moulton, Brompton, soon yung i-drop.
Hindi, meron pang isa din baka
Birdie.
sa ano eh.
Birdie.
Yun.
Oo, yung birdie.
Na titanium, right?
Hindi naman. Basic lang.
Ganda. Ngayon, what you have right now, nung dinamong bike,
Yes.
is a gravel? Gravel ba siya?
Gravel bike, it's a belt driven.
Yes.
One of the rare bike na available here.
Oh.
It's full titanium.
I'll get it lang. I'll stay here. I'll
Yeah,
get it
sure.
lang.
So just push it. It's one of the
Anong
rare
brand,
bike.
Kuya Charlie, anong brand
It's
niya?
priority.
Priority.
I think Apollo 11. Because it has 11 speed eh.
Okay.
So it's a titanium touring bike na you don't have to maintain anything na. So,
yun na siya, no?
Yeah, ginagamit to sa mga yung mga foreigner. I mean, the one mga sa western country. They've been bike touring for months, no, without any maintenance. So no
Ano to?
more
Anong
oil.
made to, Boss Charlie?
Tubig lang, linis everything.
Priority.
Hindi, saan siya made?
It's made in US, I believe.
US din.
US made bike. It's the body is full titanium. It's a
Naka-roll, hindi ano to, Shimano?
Shimano
Na next save? Alpine.
Alpine 11 speed, yeah.
Nakakatawa, akala ko nung una
Tapos
Alpine,
ano?
Alpine.
Alpine,
Oo,
fine lang, fine.
kasi
I'm
PH,
fine.
eh, no?
I'm fine. Okay.
Tapos internal gearing dahil
Yeah, internal
naka-belt drive siya.
Yes, belt drive na ano. So basically, there's no
No need to oil, no?
There's no need to oil. Just for those who are
Saka hindi mo mapuputol yan. Yung kadena na
tagal.
hindi mo mapuputol ang belt.
yes,
Walang overheat
around
yan eh.
3 times longer than
Yep.
normal chain.
Yun.
No? Yeah.
Mismo.
I think it's the thing that's going on right now. Some bikes are shifting to belt drives.
Yes, belt drive.
Mismo.
Yung mga roll-off, di ba? Yung roll-off belt.
Roll-ups medyo, for a certain segment, ano. But I believe our culture kasi is not into that yet. May konti pa lang eh. I hope maparami pa mag-join to that, ano.
Yes.
Ang galing,
That
ano?
type of-
Naalala mo na
Yeah.
pag-usapan natin, di ba, karamihan sa atin nagsimula bata. Tapos may mga nag-bike lang dahil no choice dahil pandemic.
Yes.
Tapos yung iba bumalik sa
Kotse,
mga
buy mo,
sasakyan.
yung commute.
Si Sir Charlie, isa sa mga naiwan na, okay pala yung biking.
Oo,
Yes,
dito
that's
na lang
Dito na
tayo.
to.
Yes,
Dito na tayo. Biking na tayo.
At saka marami na siya narating.
Oo.
Hindi lang urban.
Hindi lang.
Traveling
Hindi lang
talaga.
urban.
no?
Yes, that's true. Normally,
Mayon.
part of my profession, I'm a licensed real estate broker, real estate appraiser, real estate consultant,
Yun.
and an environmental planner.
Yeah.
So, for licensee, I have many mga events related sa industry ko.
Yes.
So, normally we go to provinces. So, what I did is I incorporate part of my trip is to bring my folding bike.
Yeah.
Makaikot, no?
Makaikot ng
Oo.
place, look at the survey the place, get in touch with the local.
Yeah.
Because
Tama.
the barrier to meet people using a bike is easier than those
Pag-
driving a car or
Yeah.
those who are.
Oo.
So in
Tsaka-
some way, na-open
This-
yung network natin.
That's intimidating,
Tsaka
no?
conversation starter ang nakabike ka dumating
That's
sa
true.
meeting eh.
That's
Yeah,
true.
that's true.
Na parang, uy,
Yes.
iba to ah.
And people in the province are really amazed, no, what we have. No, I said I'm from Manila. The type of folding bike we have are one of the best na.
Yeah.
So
Oo nga.
people in the province, they never seen such bike na gano. And in some way,
Bago
they
sa
were
kanila,
really
no?
impressed, this folding,
Yes.
Imagine you can bring it sa mall, bring it
Yeah.
sa hotel, di ba?
Tama.
Bring it everywhere, di ba? So they were
Pinakamalayong
impressed.
na tour mo using your bike. Anong
So far, I
pinakamalayo?
tried the Laguna Loop already. So, using a Brompton, no? Sa
Yes.
6
Small
speed.
wheels, no?
So, it took me like almost more than 10 hours. But, it's fulfilling naman.
Oo.
Pero ano yun? Isang bitaw.
Yeah,
Ikaw nga.
isang ikot, yeah. From, I live in Binondo area, so we took off there. So, it's almost close to 200 kilometers.
Wow.
Layo.
yun.
Layo din.
Achievement talaga.
Pero,
Tsaka pasyal.
it's once a while. Nasa bucket list ko lang yun.
Pero, kaya you went to Mayon ba?
Yes, Mayon is the annual event, a charity event of JCI Legazpi.
Yes.
So they raise fund for those people who riding around Mayon, which is they've done it like for the last 5 years now.
JCI member.
Yeah, I'm a JCI
Ah,
member, but
yes.
I belong to the Manila
Yes.
Manila group, which is Manila Jesus.
Yes.
So we are into charity work, social work, community service,
Yes, yes.
and of course yung mga fellowships.
Good,
Yeah.
that's good.
Yes,
So, how you're married?
yes,
The
yes.
family, how many children do you have?
Oh, only one.
Only one.
One and only.
Is he also, no? I think I met him sa Parichok one time.
Yes, yes, oh.
He's also into biking.
Biking din.
He's into biking, but he left me na
Ah.
because I'm too slow for him na.
Wow.
So, yung learning curve niya is faster for his generation.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think for the next generation, they're really very, I would say impatient in a positive way naman.
Yes,
So they're like a go. So in terms of when he started, ang bilis eh.
Pasyal
Less than
lang
a
eh.
year.
Oo.
He left me na eh.
Yeah. Ano
Luckily,
yan?
Tayo kasi, chill ride
Chill ride
tayo
tayo.
eh.
Luckily, I gave him several bikes to choose
Yes,
from,
yes,
which
that's
is the
good.
number that you say.
Out of all your bikes,
Yeah.
Sir Charlie,
Yes.
what do you have a favorite? What's your favorite
depends
bike?
on the depends on the tour,
Terrain.
no? If it's city, urban, bimodal, it's Brompton Brompton
Convenient
or
talaga,
mga
no?
trifold now, the bike. By Birdie would be a good one also. But if it's a medium ride, a mini velo would do, which is where yung mga Molton will mga Molton na set up.
Yes.
And then it's a long distance, which is now I'm practicing. I'm hoping to have a tour, a long ride.
Long ride ulit.
So I equip myself with certain big wheels now. So hopefully,
Yan.
depends on I'm just lucky I have many choices, di ba? Not
Yeah.
all of us
Very
are
lucky.
fortunate to have it. Yeah.
Look at
It's
this
like
bike.
changing your shoes, di ba?
Pare,
tama.
yan yung kinakanto mo doon yung last episode na yung ginagamit, yan ang ginagamit ang bike.
Oo.
Di
Yes.
ba? Hindi nakadisplay lang.
Never
Mismo.
mind yung mga, yun naman kasi gas-gas na
Oo, tsaka yung
so
dumi.
what the hell
Part ng
gas-gas,
ano
di
yun
ba?
eh. Part ng
Oo,
history
oo.
ng bike mo
They
yan
will
eh.
do, we call that the bike skin thing. It's good naman for those doing bike skin. But sabi ko, bike also use it na, di ba?
History yun eh.
Oo, yes, oo.
Tsaka siya yung una-una kita ng ganyan na saddle.
Oo.
Doon.
Ayun, saddle.
Yung parang kay Philip.
Yan.
Yes.
May nakita ko ngayon, di ba? Yung one of the
Well,
no,
this saddle is for long ride talaga.
Yeah.
For those people who, especially the men, no, who want to protect their prostate, no. So it's for long ride talaga. I found it like 3 years ago, and I probably have more than 10 of this in my
Wow.
in my other bikes also.
You
From
felt,
Fold,
you felt the difference
Yes,
talaga, no?
so if you're into prostate health or your health reason, one of the best products this one.
Ayun.
Yes.
So,
Comfort naman yung
Comfort
ride
naman,
niya, no?
it costs a little more than ordinary saddle.
yes.
But sabi ko yung health benefit, this has been the 4th generation na eh.
Ah, okay.
This is the first eh. So with my
nga.
weight now, I'm like 100 plus kilos, I believe. It should have brake na.
Ah.
So, di ba? For our weight. So it's so far there's no clone eh.
Tama.
So the product is good naman. I would say
good.
yung prostate natin really for
And then
those who
may
are
additional
concerned.
shock siya, no?
Yeah,
sir?
the shocks is the yung spring na
Tapos, it carries to the whole pelvic area.
Yes, the
Not
whole
just the middle
So
part.
for those who are concerned with their health, riding the bike will be the potential prostate problem, di ba?
Oo
So
nga.
this
Kasi
will be one
ipit
of the good product.
Ako feeling ko
Yeah.
maninibago ako dyan,
Yes,
pero in the long run,
Yeah.
Kasi ako nagra-ride ako dulo eh.
Dulo.
Oo.
Tama.
So parang rin, So but basically sabi ko nga, if you're for into health, it's nothing compared to na kaning mo.
Parang air seat na rin siya, eh, no?
Yes,
Because ang you mentioned kanina you're into real estate. That's a business.
Yes,
Business na to.
Yes,
Do you want to share any parang link or page na you
Or
have?
they can
Hindi
contact you.
Kasi
Lalagay natin
we
dito.
put sa pag in-edit na, we put it here yung sa ilalim ng screen ng video yung link ng
Video.
Facebook page. Meron kayo?
Basically, can contact me lang sa Facebook lang na I'm very visible sa Facebook,
Okay.
which is Charlie Gao.
Charlie Gao, yeah.
My focus basically, it's project selling. No, I handle a project in Bulacan,
Okay.
which is a small project,
Yes.
around 300 houses na 3 hectares set up. And it's more of a socio-economic level of pricing,
Okay.
which is around 2 million na housing.
Okay.
So which is para sa masa na which includes a garage and a
Wala.
two-story house.
Tapos private to, no? Sir
Yeah,
Charlie, no?
private, yeah. So basically Bulacan, especially in San Jose del Monte,
Yes.
this is one of the area nagbo-booming.
Yes, yes.
People lives there and they go to work to Manila
Yeah.
and they go back there.
Yes,
So
yeah.
that's why yung MRT eventually will be helping the community to boost.
Plus yung bagong airport,
Yes,
closer.
Banging airport. Then of course yung people who wants to invest, real estate is the one, If you're renting something, think of getting installment project. It's good for your future because the real estate really appreciate.
Yun.
Yes.
Tsaka yung place na nabanggit ni Sir Charlie, isa siya sa mga places sa Bulacan na hindi binabaha.
Yes,
That's true.
definitely.
One
That's
of the
San Jose.
never flooded. It's one of the highest
Highest
elevation.
place ng Bulacan.
You also have an Instagram. You also have Instagram.
Yeah, it's Sigaw, Manila. Letter C, G-A-W, Manila.
Yan.
Sigaw.
Yes.
Oo nga, no? Sigaw, no?
Sigaw,
Ang
Manila.
galing.
Yeah.
Tama yan. Ayun. So, okay, ito na lang. For the last question natin.
Yes.
Sige. Or last do you have any messages for the cyclists natin in the Philippines?
Okay.
Message.
Good morning, everyone. So, what we really say in real estate is good morning, no? So, everything's bright, no? For the cyclists, I believe you use this cycling aside from your weekend leisure, you use it in your daily, if ever as much as possible, in your daily activities.
Yes.
As I said, no, when I traveled in the province, I went to Zamboanga, I went to Jensan, Legazpi. I bring my bike around and I meet more locals.
Yeah.
And I got the feel of how do they go day to day. So as a message to fellow cyclists,
Yes.
incorporate your never mind you're paying extra luggage, extra but sabi ko you only live once, diba? YOLO. So,
Yeah, YOLO.
Mismo.
the things that you met, the people you met, it's really priceless naman.
Yeah.
Never mind how much the bike can buy cheaper or
Tama.
what.
Yes,
It's not
yes,
about the high-end bike or what, diba? But it's more
Basta
the
makaikot,
yung
no?
mga adventure na
Yan.
na hindi na
It's
hindi na
priceless.
capture sa ordinary
Sasakyan.
setup. Yes,
Oh.
even example in Boracay, I bought one just to share, I brought my Brompton there,
Yeah.
go around. Wala akong friends eh.
Yeah.
So when I go around, I met a resort owner, a hotel owner, and then the shipping owner. Yung ferry owner
Yes,
pala.
yes, yes.
Sabi ko, okay to ha. They treat me of breakfast. We have a good talk about the economy, the Boracay Bridge.
Yeah.
They're rallying out to that, di ba? So those things those things are priceless na di ko sinasabi.
Tsaka you can
Di
visit
ba?
places na hindi
Yes, oh.
yung naka-part sa package, di ba?
Yes, oh.
Kasi you can go to the outskirts eh.
That's true.
Yeah.
You can discover. You can go smaller speed. Even as I said, yung the network that the cycling can reach out is priceless talaga.
Yes.
Yun lang naman.
That's true, very true.
Oo.
Very, very true. With that, we want to thank you, Sir Charlie,
Yeah,
for
thank you so much.
sharing.
Oh, thanks
Thank you
for
so much, yeah.
thanks
Thank you,
for
Charlie.
Kasi
Yeah.
we try to let the viewers, younger, old generation, meet the people in the cycling industry now.
Yes, oh.
Mismo.
Just to share lang yung Molton mo.
Oo.
What I can say is I only have one each lang naman.
Yeah.
For each model. I have,
Disclaimer.
one each lang.
Disclaimer.
One each
Yeah.
model lang. Okay, yun lang yung...
No problem.
Basta wag na sabihin kung ilan.
Oo, yun na rin kailan.
Yun na
Sa
yun. Basta one each model.
One each
Ayan.
model. Yun lang naman. Okay.
Kailan model ang Multon tsaka Brompton?
Three,
Depende sa
Ayan.
year. May year yan eh.
Yeah.
Pero basically, just have it ready lang. I mean, these are some things na worth keeping naman eh. Yung mga bikes, whatever model you have,
Correct.
So, sabi ko, it's better than spending other things.
Kelly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you ulit. Thank you ulit.
Popito. And,
Thank you, Sir Charlie.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So yun. So that concludes our day for today.
Yes!
We'll be
naman.
seeing more of you.
Yes.
Thanks for your time, Sir Charlie.
Yes.
Huwag kayong magsasawa. Baka may part 2 to.
Yes, patay tayo dyan. Ngayon, before we go, we are currently in Ayala Avenue. It's celebrating, doing the Car-Free Sunday. Oh, bike day ngayon.
It's a nice sunny day today.
Yes, for those listening in Spotify, we are here right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and
And
share
share.
the video.
Follow us
Yes,
also.
follow us.
Oo.
And
Follow us.
We have YouTube, we have
Instagram.
Facebook, Instagram. All right.
Follow us.
With that, thank you very much and later. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.